Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to fix download not complete on eFootball 2026. So let's fix it. For solving this problem, first of all settings and search here phone storage, tap on storage and make sure you have enough phone storage. Then go back, long press on eFootball, tap and hold, then tap on I button or app info, then tap on storage, clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm. Go back to previous page and tap on app permission. Make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one, nearby device, then notification. And now go to Play Store and search here eFootball. Make sure your eFootball is updated. Update your eFootball to latest version, your Play Store or App Store. Then open your game. And see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.